you guys, Rob from Harmony Entertainment here, and today I've got something new for you. I've decided that the third Wednesday of every month I'm going to give you One Take Wednesday. That means I'm going to do a cover of a song, no comping, no auto-tune, one take, start to finish. Today I've chosen Hypersonic Missiles by Sam Fender. Now more than ever, this song is speaking to me. I just want to send some love to everyone out there who's affected by today's current issues. They're awful, and I wish you all the best. The song isn't an easy one, and that's the point. Every third Wednesday, I'm going to do this cover. You guys can comment below what you'd like me to attempt. I don't want easy songs. It's a challenge for me, and hopefully a reward and a treat for you. So, this is Sam Fender, Hypersonic Missiles. Let's see how I do.
Dutch kids huff balloons in the parking lot. The golden arches illuminate the business park. I eat myself to death, feed the corporate machine. I watch the movies, recite every line and scene. God bless America and all of its allies. I'm not the first to live with wool over my eyes. I am so blissfully unaware of everything. Kids in Gaza are bombed and I'm just out of it. The tensions of the world are rising higher. We're probably due another war with all this ire. I'm not smart enough to change a thing. I have no answers, only questions. Don't you ask a thing. Oh, silver tongue suits and cartoons, they rule my world. Singing it's a high time for hypersonic missiles. And when the bombs drop down, can you say that you lived your life? Oh, this is a high time for hypersonic missiles. The cities lie like tumors all across the world. Cancer eating mankind, hidden in the blind side. They say I'm a nihilist, but I can't see any decent rhyme or reason for the life of you and me. I believe in what I'm feeling, and falling for you. This world is gonna win, but till then I give you everything I have. Oh, I give you everything I
Alright guys, that was Sam Fenders' Hypersonic Missiles. Let me know in the comments how you think I did, and also give me some recommendations. What do you want me to sing next One Take Wednesday? That'll be next month. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for great singing content every single week. All the best guys, keep on singing. I'll see you back here soon.